Hello from Andalusia, central Andalusia, Spain. I'm Leslie and I'm just going to show you a property that two clients of mine purchased about a year ago using local builders. Over a period of about 6 months, I've managed to transform the property into a dream little holiday home for them, a great retreat. Now, at the end of the video, I'm going to show you what they did, my favourite part of their house, which was how they disguised the electric box. Let's check the whole thing out. When the owners bought the property, the main door, the main entrance, wasn't easily accessible. So we're starting here, going through the side entrance. The property wasn't in a terrible condition. There was no structural work. The roof was fine, the beams were fine, but they did replaster the walls. There was quite a lot of furniture to get rid of. So if you do buy property in Spain, so it was a good idea to find out where the tip is quite soon. So punto limpio in Spanish. We no longer need to use the tradesman's entrance. We're going to enter through the front of the property and check out this lovely living room. The owner did want a very light, airy feel and a little bit of a beach vibe so that she felt like she was on holiday when she came to the property, and very easy to maintain and clean. Now, they didn't want a TV spoiling the look, so there is a projector screen and a camera fixed on the wall. So where those 6 pictures are, opposite the sofa, there's a projector screen above there that you can pull down. Dining area transformation. The furniture was sourced locally and ordered off the internet. It's often tempting to bring things from your home country, but for the trouble of shipping things out, it's probably a much better option to just buy them in Spain. This is great, how they've boxed in the boiler and the washing machine. Just a nice neat little corner in the corridor. Backtracking down the corridor, just showing you the original bathroom. The owners haven't refurbished this yet, that's phase 2. Now, the kitchen as it was. And voila! You can see the owners have gone for a really clean, fresh, modern look, easy to look after, and they've changed all of the units as well as the floor tiles. You did tell me that cupboard door is yet to go on. I'm now showing you the garden from above. Now look at that building at the back, that's been taken down, and look at this. Space, luxury, beautiful outdoor living. This is the area where the wall was taken down to open up the building and the asbestos roof removed too. Look at the kitchen. We've got a pizza oven, a barbecue, kitchen, hot tub, everything. Now looking up the newly refurbed staircase and looking down the staircase as it was on purchase of the property. It's worth bearing in mind that you can throw furniture out in the punto limpio, however you can't take rubble there. You need to arrange for a builder to pick the rubble up and pay to get it to dispose of it. Just to make you aware right now that this isn't the official first floor of the property. This was just an extra bit at the back of the kitchen. There's another staircase that we're going to go up soon. now making our way back through the property, back into the dining area. And now up the main staircase to the property's 3 bedrooms. So the upstairs was quite basic. The floors were neutral before purchase, so there wasn't a great deal to do in that respect. Again, more furniture that they needed to dispose of. It's worth knowing that when you purchase a property, it can go in the contract, the deposit contract, which is called contrato de arras, to state that you want the property left empty or state specific items of furniture that you want to be taken out of the property to give yourself a little bit less work when you move in. I love this idea of displaying family photos up the staircase. Let's have a look at the bedroom's transformation. The guest room here has just got a nice clean, fresh look. And this room has been converted into a walk-in wardrobe. What a luxury! They put the bed on this wall so that they can enjoy the view out of the window in the morning, so you can just see over the houses into the olive groves. Building licenses are very easy and cheap to obtain in these small villages. Normally within 24-48 hours you'll get your permission. Ta-ta-ta-ta! How to disguise an electric box. 2 frames, 1 frame picture, 1 frame nailed to the wall, hinge between the 2. There you go, Bob's your uncle. Good, hey? Isn't it lovely? So if you would like to see more videos like this, because I'm working on some now, but obviously it takes time because I've got to start recording 3 to 6 months before the finished project. If you want to see more of that, then subscribe here, okay? And you will be notified of such videos, including properties for sale in the area. Ciao for now.